You may already know that you can purchase green electricity for your home or business. But did you know that you can also buy natural gas that can support the planet too? It happens by using carbon offsets to counteract your usage. The idea behind carbon-neutral natural gas is pretty simple. Consumers that purchase a carbon-neutral natural gas product can help counteract their carbon dioxide emissions because the product actually helps to fund projects that offset those emissions. These projects can consist of activities like reforestation and energy efficiency improvements. Think of it this way. You rely on your car to get you to work, right? Vehicles create a lot of CO2. It's probably not realistic to stop driving altogether, but you could consider alternative ways to get to work every so often, such as carpooling or even riding your bike. Carbon-neutral natural gas functions in a similar fashion. A portion of the cost you pay goes toward funding projects that remove CO2 from the atmosphere in an amount equivalent to your natural gas use. It's an easy way to be green without any extra effort on your part. And when you consider the fact that annually, the average American emits 3 times more CO2 than the global average, taking a green approach to your natural gas use can make a difference. So what does this impact actually mean? Time for a little math. The average U.S. home produces 5 metric tons of CO2 per year. 1 CO2 offset equals 1 metric ton in CO2 reductions. 5 offsets cover what the average home uses. Those 5 offsets could mean that 5.8 acres of forest could be planted, or more wind farms could be built. We're committed to helping people live more sustainably. It boils down to this. The more people who choose green energy, the more positive the impact on the environment. Every little bit counts. Be part of something big. Consider greening up your home's energy today. Learn more about how you can do your part at igs.com/green.